Identify the terminals of the DC compound motor using the test lamp method. Read the nameplate details of the given DC compound machine and record them in the table. Remove the terminal box cover and sketch the layout of the terminals. Test and identify the pairs of terminals of a DC compound machine. Prepare a test lamp rated for 240 volts, 25 watts. Identify phase cable and connect it to the test lamp through a switch and fuse. Touch the neutral wire of the test lamp to motor terminal 1 and the phase wire to motor terminal 2. The lamp will not glow, therefore, terminals 1 and 2 are not a pair. Touch the neutral wire to motor terminal 1 and the phase wire to terminal 3. The lamp will not glow, so terminals 1 and 3 are not a pair. Touch the neutral wire to motor terminal 1 and the phase wire to terminal 4. The lamp will not glow, hence, terminals 1 and 4 are not a pair. Touch the neutral wire to motor terminal 1 and the phase wire to terminal 5. Observe the lamp. If it burns brightly, terminals 1 and 5 are a pair. To find the second pair, touch the neutral wire to motor terminal 2 and the phase wire to terminal 3. If the lamp burns brightly, terminals 2 and 3 are a pair. To identify the third pair, touch the neutral wire to motor terminal 4 and the phase wire to terminal 6. If the lamp burns dim or a spark occurs at the contact point, this indicates that the terminals are the shunt field winding of the motor due to high inductive reactance. Mark terminals 4 and 6 as F1 and F2 respectively. Next, identify the armature terminal pair from the two low resistance pairs. The test lamp burns brightly across both the armature and series field terminals due to low inductive reactance. The two low resistance terminal pairs are terminals 1 and 5 and terminals 2 and 3. To distinguish the armature terminal pair, touch the phase wire of the test lamp to terminal 1, that is from one of the low resistance pairs, and the neutral wire to one of the motor brushes. If the lamp burns brightly, then terminals 1 and 5 belong to the armature. Mark them as A1 and A2. The remaining pair, terminals 2 and 3, belong to the series field. Mark them as S1 and S2. Using the test lamp method, the terminals of the DC compound motor were identified as follows. Armature terminals 1 and 5, that is, A1 and A2. Shunt field terminals 4 and 6, that is, F1 and F2. Series field terminals 2 and 3, that is, S1 and S2. Conclusion. This method provides a quick and effective way to identify motor terminals.